What's up everybody, CR's back, and in this video I'm gonna be making a rice dish. So obviously I need rice. Now I'm washing the rice first, then adding everything, heating it up and all that stuff. You're gonna see a finished product, and I'll try it out at the end. I'm washing it first, about 3 times. Alright, now I've rinsed the rice. Now I'm gonna add my stuff in. Alright, now I've added some water, just enough to fill it at the top. If I need more water, I'll add more water, depending on what I'm putting inside. Now I'm going to infuse the water with tea. Yes, just to give it a little bit more flavor. It's black and green tea. I'll add it in. I'll let that sit for a little bit. Alright, I've let the tea bag infuse the water with, well, the tea for a significant amount of time, because it's clearly not hot yet. So I had to let it sit for quite a bit of time. Not too long, but enough. And it did change the color, as you can see. So I'm gonna take out the tea bag and pretty much start adding ingredients and heating it up and go from there. I've added some corn in. In a bowl I have milk, a little bit of mustard, and 1 egg. As you can hear, I'm heating up the stove now. And bring the rice, the water, the infused water, to a boil. And mixed up the egg, milk, and mustard. Once the water starts to boil, I'll turn it down to simmer and add this in at the top and just let it sit at the top and cook. Small bowls, it's almost ready. Oof. So I'll add this to the top as soon as it starts boiling, and I'll turn it down to simmer. Alright, it's starting to boil, so I'm gonna grab it and just pour it in. Pour it in there, let it cook. Turn it down to simmer now, and let it go. And I'll get back to you guys. Oh, here it is. Of course I had to put CR in it again with hot sauce. This nice smell. Let me just have a taste of it real quick here on the side here. I got the rice on the lens. On the camera. It's nice and fluffy. I can sort of taste the tea. That is so good. Not bad, not bad. So, if you enjoyed this exciting video of a rice dish that I just threw together, hit me up on a thumbs up. Now, as the world changes, someone wants oneself to reach a new level of skill and knowledge, one must practice. A single person can't help everyone in this world, but one person can help someone in this world. And until the next video for me, it's peace out from, well, you know, the guy that's known as CR in red here. Oh, just kidding. It's peace out from Creative Redundancy. Catch you later. Peace.